Do you know that you can influence RIPE policies? Voice your opinion. Get involved in the RIPE policy development process. The RIPE PDP is the way that the RIPE community proposes, discusses, changes and accepts policies. These policies are like rules that the RIPE NCC, our members, the LIRs, and the RIPE community must follow. The RIPE community is a collaborative forum that's open to everyone, whether you are a member of the RIPE NCC or not. The RIPE community has several RIPE working groups, and each one has its own mailing list. Policy discussions take place on these lists, depending on the subject matter. Sometimes a discussion continues at a RIPE meeting, but decisions on a policy only happen on the mailing lists. Each working group has working group chairs that moderate discussions and determine if consensus has been reached on a policy proposal. So, how does this work? Let's say you have a new idea that would change the way the RIPE NCC allocates IPv6 address space, but you want to get feedback from the RIPE community before you make a proposal. You can start discussing the idea on one of the RIPE working group mailing lists first. Or you can contact the RIPE working group chairs or the RIPE NCC Policy Development Office. If you go ahead with the proposal, the RIPE NCC and the working group chairs can help you write it. Then you can propose it to the RIPE community and the discussion phase begins. If your proposal receives enough support, it goes through two more phases in the PDP, the review phase and the concluding phase. At any point in this process, a policy proposal can be changed or withdrawn. In the review phase, the RIPE NCC publishes an impact analysis for your proposal, so everyone can see what will change if the proposal is accepted. The discussion may continue, and the working group chairs will determine if rough consensus has been reached. At this point, your proposal moves into the concluding phase, and a last call for comments is made. If the working group chairs declare that consensus is reached, your policy proposal has been accepted. It will be made into a RIPE document, and the RIPE NCC will start implementing it. Get involved, share your opinion, tell the RIPE community what you think. You can change RIPE policies, discuss what's best for your business, and take part in the RIPE PDP.